Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video features the beads in the Trollbeads Golden Night Kit and my design ideas for 3 bracelets using these beads. Let's take a close-up look at the beads. Here they are. They really are gorgeous. The first bead is called Golden Swirl, and the design is raised, so this bead has some texture. Next is Hearts of Hope, which features lots of glittering hearts on a dark green background. The third bead is called Golden Buds. This is also a textured bead with raised glittering bumps on a black background. The fourth bead is Hearts of Joy, and it's just like Hearts of Hope, but has a red background. The fifth bead is Golden Ornaments, and the sixth bead is Golden Branches. This design is also raised, so there's texture here also. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beads. So, I have design ideas for 3 bracelets. The first bracelet is also going to use my cat pendant. I thought that the glass on this pendant was a perfect match for the design in the Golden Ornaments bead. So this bracelet will begin on a twisted bangle. You'll see I already have a spacer there, and I have the silver 3-in-1 bead already in place. So the next bead that I'm going to use will be the Golden Ornaments bead. And I will follow that bead with a plain copper spacer. Now I will use a lucky knot and my cat pendant, one more lucky knot, and another copper spacer to show the cat pendant as the centerpiece. Next, I will use the Hearts of Hope bead to balance the Golden Ornaments bead. And I will finish this design with one more 3-in-1 bead and a plain spacer. And here is the finished bangle. I think that works really very nicely. Okay, next I will use a plain bangle with the Capsule of Life Spacer, the belly chakra, which is that red color, and the power chakra, which is the golden color. Next will be a bead from the kit. I think I will use this Golden Buds here. And follow that with, let's see, I think another power chakra bead. Yes. And then this red bead because it will balance that belly chakra bead, right? The Hearts of Joy bead. And end it with another Capsule of Life Spacer. And here is bracelet number 2. I like that a lot. And the last bracelet, I've begun this bracelet with the Framed by Stars wraparound silver bead and the sparkling moss bead. That sparkling moss bead is from the Forest Secrets kit. I love the way it glitters. And I love the way the silver Framed by Stars charm hugs the bead. Next, I will use golden branches. That looks good. Scirocco from the Sparkle kit. I just thought all these sparkling beads look good together. Next, I will use golden swirls. And I will end with a zodiac, one of the zodiac silver charms. It's called the Star of Intuition. Let me put that on. And I will end it with a plain spacer. And that star bead features a tiger's eye in the center. And that's the third design. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.